Okay, those. Over there. Snow leopard, yeah. For water. There's nothing coming out of it. Yeah. And now wants to eat your face. And now wants to eat your face. Yeah, I want to eat. I want it too. It looks so fuzzy. Yeah, I'm so annoyed. It's just a big cat. The other one's over there chilling. Yeah, that's just like house cats. There's a black just chill. Just chill. Listen, look at me. We're gonna see everything. I need you to stop rushing. Got it? I know, you can probably hear me. You're adorable. Yes. So are you over there? That was the one that was furthest away. Yeah, that's Did you see me? Oh, look. Look. One's like last. So far away. Yeah. Where's Baba? Mr. Bean faster than Pokemon. Mr. Bean? Yeah, Mr. Bean's fast and so faster than Macadam. Goes longer down. Hey! I want to go with that Baba. I want to look at this. Whoa. So big.
Alright guys, come on.
There's a train. I want to go on the train. Okay, do it. Oh. You're welcome, Mommy. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Jordan, you come to a zoo? Yeah. Jordan, you see tiger? Yeah? Tiger? Hi. Cái tôi sẽ ẩm mèo đó. Có bỏ mèo hả? Mèo hả? Ba sẽ thổi đâu ba. Go look at thổi đâu. Thổi đâu to, hả nè. Hả nè. Đây.
Jordan, do you drink it all? He said, yeah, I tried to drink it. And guess what?
And Jordan, look at flowers.
turtle.
This is turtle lane.
Yeah.
À chị có bán ấy luôn bà phá chị nếu xa có bán ấy luôn bà phá tao chờ nó tao làm cái đây xong rồi nè Jordan, come on. Hey, Ashley, Jaden. No, look at here.
Ashley, over here.
Jordan, you want to go? Look at. Sana. Ashley, Sana. Yay! Jordan. Jaden. Pull your hand out. Jordan, pull your hand out. Yeah.
Your hands up and sit. Look up.
Look at Jordan. Yay!
Smart.
Jordan, you see it? Jordan, you see it?
Are you enjoying the tree ranch? Eating the tree branch? The tree branch.
Nó vào đây quá hả?
Hi, Elizabeth. Enjoying the tree branch? Look at that. Elizabeth, you're so tall.
Yeah, she's tall, huh?
Is that the mommy? Then where's the daddy?
I don't know. Daddy probably over there.
The mommy is that one?
Yeah.
And the daddy over there?
Yeah.
And the baby over there?
I know.
Let's go look at it. Jordan! You want to go to the drop? Stop.
Baby. You see the baby? You can't ride the baby neither. Yeah, you see the baby.
Go see baby and Jaden. Go see baby and Jordan. Over there, Daddy.
here. Too strong.
Thế rồi xiêm bộ cha điện à? Tôi tối tôi đã đi à? Do you see?
There's something wrong with it.
Wrong good.
There's a baby one. They check on the window outside.
Honey, they want to go outside. They want to be free.
We're supposed to be outside.
Jordan, Jaden is scared.
You can't touch the glass. It's just over there. So don't touch it.
Today I saw a lot of ugly creatures.
Yeah? Oh. How many you see?
Almost all of them.
Almost all of it?
Oh. And the birds. Some birds were eating sour gummy worms in the mud.
Yeah?
Now Dad, do it.
Oh, how cool. He went to cool. What's up, homie?
Yeah.
Oh. What color is it? Green.
Actually, nói thôi, không tức là
What?
what is place called? The zoo? The zoo? Oh, the zoo where is the animal? Animal stays.
I see fish right there. Dippin' Dots. Look, I see fish right there. Look,
Ooh, pit. Jessica, where's Jessica? Jessica, ôi cha, trâu có khẩn chào hả? Trâu có khẩn chào hả? Sanjay sợ là ok. Sanjay sợ là ok. Trông khẩn chào hả? Jessica.
Your hand hit you? Hey, my boy. What's with it?
Hey!
Go, I gotta move this cool boy, come. Jordan, come here. Honey, he said no. Jordan, come here. Jordan, where are you going? Hey! Chị đừng trong thuốc á, chị nè. Come. Yeah.